Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you already do that, thank you so much for doing so. Love you guys. So today I was packing my travel skincare bag and I also thought to show you guys what I carry in my travel skincare bag. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. So friends, this is my travel skincare bag and I literally have all my skincare that I need during my travel. And if this bag is with me, I can travel for any number of days without worrying about anything. So without wasting any time, let's just see what I have in this bag. So to begin with, by the way, I don't remember where did I buy this bag from. I bought it from some trade fair, but then don't exactly remember. The size is perfect for my skincare. That is the reason I always use this red bag to carry all my skincare whenever I travel. So the first product is this face wash. This is Bare Anatomy's Soft and Gentle Face Wash. As you guys can see, I hardly have anything left. I have been obsessed with this product lately, but I think this is more than enough for a few days, so I'll just carry this face wash. This face wash is so gentle and so hydrating that my skin absolutely loves this. I have done a detailed review about this product, and if you want to watch that video, please click on the I button above and you can watch that video. So the first product is this face wash. Now the second product is my toner, and my absolute favorite, the Kaya Purifying Toner. This toner is so mild that my skin loves it. Whenever I travel, whenever I think that I will be exposed to sun a lot, I might have skin burns, I use this toner because it is very mild and very gentle on the skin. So whenever I travel, I surely carry this Kaya toner, and I have spoken about this product in length in my previous videos. So if you watch any of my skincare videos, I will surely be mentioning this toner. So this is my absolute favorite toner and I always carry this. I highly recommend this product for anyone who's looking for a very mild toner. This is a very nice product. You should surely give it a try. So this is my second product, which is my toner. Now moving on to the third product, which is my moisturizer. So this is my third product. This is again Bare Anatomy's all day hydrating moisturizer. I freaking love this product. This product, the formula is so bang on. It is not very creamy, it is not very thick, neither it is very light moisturizer. It is an absolute perfect formula, and that's the reason it suits all skin type. And I specifically like this product because of the size. It is such a travel friendly size, and I always carry this one whenever I travel. I have almost finished 1/4 of the product, and I actually saved this product because I knew I'll be traveling soon. So yeah, this is my go-to moisturizer, and this is also for all those people who ask me that do you also use the products that you promote. So this is a proof that I do. I do not promote, may it be a sponsored video or a non-sponsored video, I do not promote any product which I am not convinced about personally. I only talk about those products which I think has done great on my skin, or my skin has felt really nice after using those products, and I always give myself about 30 days before I talk about any product in specific. So yes guys, I do use all the products that I recommend. So yeah, this is the third product. Now moving on to the fourth one, which is a must if you are traveling, and specifically if you are going to a tropical climate, which is your sunscreen. Now this is Shiseido's Clear Stick UV Protector SPF 50. Guys, there is no better sunscreen than this. I got my hands on this product about 1.5 years back when I was traveling, and since then there was no looking back. I have not tried any other sunscreen, to be specific, after I got my hands on this. I'm not sure if this is available in India, but I think it is. I'll just find it out, and I'll also leave the link in the description box if I find. But this one, the best part about this product is, first of all, it has no white cast as it is clear in color. You can use this product under makeup and over makeup, and this is such a beautiful travel size bottle. You can slip it in your bag, and if you think you have to retouch your sunscreen, if you think the sun is too harsh, if you are outdoors, you can just open it and apply it and you're good to go. So it's very handy product and I really like it. and it is very powerful. It does protect your skin from harmful UV rays. So this is an absolute must product if you are going on a vacation, and if you are going to a beach destination specifically, you have to have this product. Try it out and I'm sure you guys will love it. Now the next product is my face serum, and very recently I got my hands on this serum. This is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5 Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a very new launch in India, and right now I am in the testing phase. I will be giving out my detailed review about this product once I'm back from the vacation. Until then, my testing will also be over, but so far so good. I'm liking the serum. This serum is doing great in the West, and very recently it is launched in India. So I will not speak a lot about this serum, but I am kind of liking it. So let me test it out and then you will get my detailed review about this product. But yeah, this is my face serum and this is the next product. Now moving on to the sixth product, which is, this is Neutrogena's oil-free makeup remover. I love this product. When you can use any other micellar water of Garnier or Bioderma, both the products are equally good, but right now I am using this Neutrogena's makeup remover and I love it. It is very gentle, removes all my makeup effortlessly, and it also removes waterproof mascara. I mean, that's really great. So I really like this makeup remover, and I highly recommend if you guys are wanting to use something which is very gentle on the skin. Guys, I always use products which is not very harsh. It is because I have a sensitive skin. I have a dry and a sensitive skin. So my products, my choice of products are like very mild and very gentle. So whatever recommendations I give, it is very unlikely that it is going to react on your skin, because my picks are very mild products which doesn't do any harm to the skin. So yeah, this is something that I'm really liking. This is my next product. Now moving on to the next one, which is my lip balm. I cannot live without lip balms. My lips are extremely dry, flaky at times, so my lip balm is just everywhere in my house, and if I'm traveling, I always make it a point that I am carrying a lip balm. So I am carrying this two lip balm right now. This one is Laneige Sleeping Mask. This is berry, and love this product. This is so hydrating. I mean, if I'm using this product, I don't have to touch up my lip balm in like 2 to 3 hours. I mean, it really lasts long, because I'm someone who has to apply lip balm every 30 minutes. I mean, my lips are extremely dry. So this one, if I'm using, I don't have to bother for like 2-3 hours. It really lasts long on my lips. So this goes in my skincare bag, and this is Nykaa's Lip Crush. I always carry 2-3 lip balm. Right now I'm carrying only 2. I'm going to slip this in my handbag so that it is always handy. The best part about this lip balm is the smell. I mean, the smell is so addictive. I just love the smell, and this is a very good lip balm. This also hydrates my lips for quite some time. This is the shade Vanilla, and I really like that. It doesn't have any taste, but the smell is too good. I just love this product. So these are the two lip balms that I'm carrying. If you are someone who has very dry, flaky lips, you can try any of these products and you will love it. Now the next thing in the bag is my perfume. This is Gucci Flora Emerald Gardenia. I specifically carry, I love most of the Gucci perfumes, but this one I carry specifically because of the size. This is a very travel friendly size. I mean, I can just slip it in my handbag if need be. So yeah, this is my perfume that I'm carrying. And the next product is two products actually, my shampoo and my conditioner. This is, let me just open it. This is the Nude shampoo and conditioner. I have also done a detailed review about these products, and if you want to watch that video, please click on the I button and you can watch it. I'm absolutely loving this product. Again, I do use all the products that I recommend. So this is goat milk based shampoo and conditioner, very mild on the hair. I'm absolutely loving it. The main point of this shampoo and conditioner is it adds bounce to the hair, which I need desperately all the time. And also why this product is travel friendly is because of the lock system that it has. I mean, we all face spillage problem whenever we travel. So if you lock this, you will not have any kind of spillage problem, which is a very good point. And it also comes with a waterproof bag which you can just slip the product in and zip it, and your shampoo and conditioner is safe inside. So these are the two products that I am carrying. This is my shampoo and this is my conditioner. So I have two of my hair care products also in my skincare kit. So guys, this is all the products that I usually carry whenever travel. I don't carry a lot of products because there is no point. I believe in traveling light, not exactly, but then I try to pack light, and I don't think so beyond any of these products I need anything else. So I don't pack random stuff and unnecessarily make my bag heavy. I mean, this is all it that I need for a couple of days, and as I said, if I have all this product and if I have this kit with me, I can travel for n number of days and I don't have to worry about anything. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope now you know what you have to pack when you are traveling, what you have to pack specifically for your skincare when you are traveling. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I will see you guys super soon in a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.